incredible land. The Himalayas, Earth's highest mountain range, dominate northern India. These majestic peaks, crowned with snow, pierce the sky, inspiring awe in all who behold them. The air is crisp and clean. The views are breathtaking. Imagine trekking through lush valleys, dotted with colorful wildflowers. Feel the thrill of standing before towering peaks like Nanda Devi and Kanchenjunga. Experience the peace of ancient monasteries, perched precariously on mountain slopes. The Himalayas offer adventure and tranquility. It's a place to challenge yourself and find inner peace. The mountains are calling. In stark contrast to the towering Himalayas, Kerala's backwaters offer a tranquil escape. Imagine gliding along serene waterways in a traditional houseboat. Palm trees sway gently on the banks. The air is filled with the scent of spices. The backwaters are a network of canals, lakes, and lagoons. They are home to a unique ecosystem. You'll see colorful birds, playful otters, and maybe even a glimpse of a kingfisher. Life moves at a slower pace in the backwaters. It's a place to relax, unwind, and reconnect with nature. Section 5. The Andaman Islands. Tropical Paradise. Escape to the Andaman Islands, a cluster of islands in the Bay of Bengal. These islands are known for their pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and lush rainforests. Dive into a vibrant underwater world, teeming with colorful coral and marine life. Relax on white sand beaches, shaded by swaying palm trees. Explore the lush rainforests, home to unique flora and fauna. The Andaman Islands are a true tropical paradise. They offer adventure, relaxation, and a glimpse into India's incredible biodiversity. Section 6. Exploring the Thar Desert, a closer look. The Thar Desert is not just sand dunes. It is a vast expanse of diverse landscapes, each telling its own unique story. It's a land of hidden oases, ancient trade routes, and vibrant cultures. These routes once connected distant civilizations, facilitating trade and cultural exchange. Experience the thrill of a camel safari, trekking across the dunes under the scorching sun. Feel the rhythm of the desert as you traverse its golden sands. Visit Jaisalmer, the Golden City, with its impressive fort and sandstone architecture. The fort stands as a testament to the region's rich history and architectural brilliance. Discover the stories of the desert people, their resilience and connection to the land. Their traditions and way of life have been shaped by the harsh yet beautiful environment. The Thar Desert is an adventure for the senses. From the sight of endless dunes to the sound of the wind, every moment is a sensory delight. It's a journey back in time, uncovering the secrets of a land shaped by the wind and the sun. The desert's history is etched into its very landscape, waiting to be discovered. As night falls, the Thar Desert transforms into a stargazer's paradise. The clear skies offer a breathtaking view of the cosmos, a perfect end to a day of exploration. Section 7. The Allure of the Himalayas. More than mountains. The Himalayas are more than just mountains. They are a majestic range that stretches across 5 countries, offering breathtaking views and unparalleled natural beauty. They are a spiritual center, home to ancient temples and monasteries. These sacred sites have been places of worship and meditation for thousands of years, attracting pilgrims and seekers from all over the world. Visit Rishikesh, the yoga capital of the world, and experience the tranquility of the Ganges River. Here, you can join yoga retreats, attend spiritual workshops, and immerse yourself in the serene environment that has inspired countless yogis. Trek to Hemkund Sahib, a sacred Sikh pilgrimage site, nestled amidst snow-capped peaks. The journey to this high-altitude Gurudwara is both challenging and rewarding, offering stunning vistas and a profound sense of spiritual fulfillment. Witness the colorful festivals and traditions that have thrived in the Himalayas for centuries. From the vibrant celebrations of Diwali to the unique rituals of local tribes, these festivals offer a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of the region. The Himalayas offer a journey for the soul. Whether you are meditating in a secluded spot or simply soaking in the serene landscapes, the mountains provide a perfect backdrop for introspection and personal growth. It's a place to connect with nature, find inner peace, and experience the power of spirituality. The Himalayas invite you to leave behind the chaos of everyday life and embark on a transformative journey that touches the very essence of your being. Section 8. Beyond the Backwaters. Kerala's Hidden Gems. Kerala is not just about the backwaters. Explore the lush tea gardens of Munnar, perched high in the Western Ghats. Visit Periyar National Park, home to elephants, tigers, and a variety of bird life. Experience the thrill of a spice plantation tour, immersing yourself in the aromas and flavors of Kerala's culinary heritage. Discover the ancient art forms of Kathakali dance and Kalaripayattu martial arts. Kerala offers a sensory overload. It's a land of vibrant culture, rich history, and natural beauty that will captivate your senses. Section 9. Unveiling India's Coastal Beauty. India's coastline stretches for thousands of miles, offering a diverse range of experiences. From the palm-fringed beaches of Goa to the ancient temples of Tamil Nadu, there's something for everyone. Surf the waves in Gokarna, relax on the beaches of Varkala, or witness the olive ridley turtles nesting in Odisha. Explore the colonial heritage of Pondicherry, or visit the ancient temples of Mahabalipuram. India's coastline is a tapestry of cultures, landscapes, and experiences. It's a journey of discovery, where every turn reveals something new and exciting. Section 10. What awaits you? India's scenic beauty is a feast for the senses. From the towering Himalayas to the tranquil backwaters, from the golden deserts to the pristine beaches, there's something for everyone. So, pack your bags, embrace the adventure, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Now, it's your turn. What other incredible destinations around the world would you like to explore? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures.